Hi everyone, my name is Mihai Dragosanu and I'm a postdoc researcher from the University of Siena. Now I'm going to briefly present you our poster entitled Design and Prototyping of a 5 degree of freedom robotic extra finger for human hand augmentation that will be presented at the ICRA 2023 workshop entitled The Robotics and Neuroscience of Supernumerary Limbs. The poster presents the design of a 5 degree of freedom wearable extra finger for human hand augmentation. With respect to the single degree of freedom applied extra finger developed by our research group, in this work we provided it with an additional spherical parallel mechanisms at the base, providing the adduction and abduction and the opposition motion with respect to the fingers, similarly to the human thumb. Indeed, this improved version of the wearable extra fingers allows for realizing more complex movements, also in coordination with the human hand. So the idea is to exploit it not only in assistive tasks, but also for rehabilitation and as a wearable haptic device. The device is now in the prototyping and testing phase, but future work will investigate its control and coordination with the human hand. So if you have any question or curiosity, please come to our poster. You can find us there. Thank you for your attention and for your time.